sir, second situation is, sir, if any non-Muslim actor did suicide, then most of the people on media, they were saying rest in peace for him. And when people said them that it is not permissible to say rest in peace or to pray for maghfirat for non-Muslims, so they started claiming that who are we to judge who will go to paradise and who will go to hell? And Islam is a religion of love, humanity, so don't spread hate. And even if that non-Muslim was, maybe that non-Muslim was in depression and maybe he was very kind, so Allah knows intentions. So, sir, they claim such phrases. Sir, how to respond such people? That's all, sir.
Inshallah, bidnillah.
Thank you, sir.
And barakallah fikum. So, her fourth question about a kafir who died recently. I think he was an actor or something like that, a Bollywood actor who was a Sikh or a Hindu. He's not a Muslim. And what happens in their religion, this is their problem. It's none of our problems. Our problem is when Muslims write on their Facebook pages or on Twitter, rest in peace, oh so and so. We loved your movies, we loved what you had presented to the people, so we pray that you rest in peace. And as a Muslim, I know that this is not appropriate to say. Allah stated in the Quran, in chapter 9, Surah Al-Tawbah, that it is not permissible for the Prophet ﷺ and the believers with him, the companions, to seek forgiveness for those idol worshippers, even if they were related to them, even if they were next of kin. So it is prohibited in our religion to make dua for someone who's not a Muslim to get mercy of Allah, to enter paradise, or to be forgiven. Totally prohibited. We can ask Allah that He guides them, that He blesses their lives, that He blesses their children and wealth. No problem. Worldly things, the sky's the limit. But when it comes to forgiveness, mercy of Allah, or paradise, this is a red line we cannot cross. So Muslims believe, and there's no need to sugarcoat it. Muslims believe that any non-Muslim who dies will never rest in peace. And his grave will be a pit of hellfire. And when the day of judgment is due, he will be admitted to hellfire for eternity, for not believing in Allah, not submitting his will to Allah, not accepting the word of Allah. Now, do we say that this particular actor is in hell? No way. We can't say that. I can't say that. How would I judge such a person? But to claim that he is resting in peace or he's in paradise, this is the same thing. So when you say that he's resting in peace, you're judging him. And when you say that he was a kind person and maybe he committed suicide due to depression, this is his problem, not mine. I don't judge him. I give the general verdict. Any person who dies not being a Muslim will not rest in peace. He will be in a pit of hellfire until the day of judgment, and then he will be admitted for eternity to the real hellfire. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect us.